Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the 7th question in exercise 7.14. The demand and supply functions are PD is equal to 25 minus x squared and PS is equal to 2x plus 1 respectively. Determine consumer surplus and producer surplus at equilibrium price. So what do we know at equilibrium? Its PD will be equal to PS. So let's substitute. So this is 25 minus x naught squared is going to be equal to 2 into x naught plus 1. So let's rearrange. So this is going to be equal to 24 minus x naught squared is equal to 2x naught, or 24 is equal to 2 x naught squared plus x naught squared. So we will make this a quadratic equation. So x naught squared plus 2 x naught minus 24 is equal to 0. To split it, so this is x naught squared plus 6 x naught minus 4 x naught minus 24 is equal to 0. So this will look like x naught plus 6 into x naught minus 4 is equal to 0. So x naught possibly will have the value of minus 6 and 4. X naught cannot be negative. So discard the value of minus 6, so x naught is going to be equal to 4. Now that we found the value of x naught, let's compute what is producers and consumer surplus. So in order to compute the producer or the consumer surplus, we also need to calculate what is P naught. So P naught is nothing but 25 minus x naught squared. So this is 25 minus 4 squared. So this is going to be equal to 16. 25 minus 16 is 9. So let's compute the consumer surplus. So the consumer surplus is going to be integral 0 to x naught, your P of D function minus x naught P naught. So let's substitute. It is integral 0 to 4, 25 minus x squared dx minus your x naught is 4 and your P naught is 9. So this is 9 4s are 36. So let's integrate. So this is 25x minus x cubed by 3 between the limits 0 to 4, and in this case there is a minus 36. So consumer surplus, I'm going to apply the upper limit. So 25 into 4 is 100 minus 4 cube is 64 divided by 3. So minus 64 by 3. Then there is a minus 36. So consumer surplus is 64 minus 64 by 3. So you take LCM and simplify. You will get 128 divided by 3. So this is going to be equal to your consumer surplus. So I'm just noting this 128 divided by 3. You can also change it into fraction. However, I'm leaving it as such. Now let's move on to the producer's surplus. Producer's surplus is going to be equal to x naught P naught divided minus of integral 0 to x naught, your PS function. So let's substitute. So PS is going to be equal to x naught P naught is 9 4s are 36 minus integral 0 to 4. This function, however, is 2x plus 1 dx. So let's do. So this is going to be 36 minus integral is this is going to be 2x squared by 2 plus x between the limits 0 to 4. So I can cancel out the 2. So 36 minus of x square plus 4, x between the limits 0 to 4. Now let's apply the limit. So upper limit, when you apply, this is 4 square. So this is 16 plus 4 minus the lower limit is anyway 0. So 36 minus 20. So this is equal to 16. So the producer's surplus is going to be equal to 16. In the next video, we will find the solution for the 8th question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.